Shall I? Shall I go and configure the commands? So I'm going to use pwd to see what is my print working directory. Yes. And who am I? Your login as user one. Now what is the next command? So I'm going to use the command ls. So I am in user. So let me go to root. So cd root. Can you see I'm in root now? This is your root and this is your user tilde account. So I'm going to use slash to change your root directory. So ls will show you all your directory structure which are available under root. So even I have ll long list which will show you the file size also. Now you have some size. What it is? It is a GB or MB or KB or what? You don't know, isn't it? So we have another command called ls-lrth. LRTH will give you with a human readable format. So you can find whether it is how many KBs or MB. Clear? KB.
What is the 90
MB. MB?
You don't have fun.
It is a file size. It is what? Bits? Bytes? Then you have KB. Clear? So let me create a directory, guys. Shall I? So the command is mkdir. What's the name? Give me some name. So I'm going to create storage folder creator. But why I'm showing getting an error? Watch. See, I'm going to use cd mkdir storage. I can create. You cannot create under root. You can create under user because you log in as your account. That is the reason you can't able to create any user under root or directory under root. So I want to change my account from user to root. So the command is su switch user. If you want to go to root, it is just su hyphen, which is called as super user. If you are using su hyphen, it is super user. If you are just using su, then it is switch user. Clear? Now your login is what user one. You should go to root. What is the command? Su hyphen, which is called as super user. You want to switch user, correct? What is the command su? You should go to your root. So hyphen. Clear?
What is your super? What?
Can you create any folder in your root? Then it should be a part of. You should. So I'm going to use su root. We have many pages. Installation also you should do it. So password I'm going to now pwd. Can you see you are in root directory and your login as what? Who am I? Your login as? But I'm using root. What happened? I gave password. No, watch. Let me start from the
You are a
beginning.
user and accessing your
I'm going to
code
start from the beginning. Clear? So I'm going to use user one, isn't it? No, it will wait. So can you see the mode? What it is? Dollar, which is user. Now you should go to root. How to identify whether you're root or user? Can you see the hash over here? Hash will tell you you are logged in as a root, you are in root mode, or you're student. So let me change su hyphen password. I'm going to give. Now can you see what is changed from hash? So I am root. Clear? I gave password 1234. It won't be visible. Okay, why it has been removed? Any idea? Either should put start 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 start, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why removed?
Security.
Yes. Example why? He has answered. Even you should not know the length of the password. Even in Linux and Kali Linux, I have a command. If I hit the command, it will generate me all the possible commands in the combination of if I know the password star 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 four stars, so what's the combination? It's a combination of four everything in the keyboard, isn't it? Whatever the password is in the keyboard only. So all the special characters, all the ASCII characters, all the numeric characters, which are the combination of four anyone will the password. So avoid dictionary attack and you will stop this. So they have removed how many stars you want them. Clear? So can I create a new directory now?
Yes.
Are you sure? Am I right? MKDIR?
But it will be created
I want to
in
create
only root.
LPI.
It will be created in only root.
It will be created inside root home directory.
Yes.
I want to create in the root directory itself. Again, I'm telling the complications what you will get. You will get complications in the background, you will hear it on root. Now what is root?
Admin.
Root is a user who's an admin, and root is the directory under which you have all subdirectories. Clear? And that is one more directory called home root directory.
Push root.
For root user, you have a directory called slash root. If often you would use it. Root user, root directory. Clear? Clear? So now I want to create a user. I want to create a directory as NKDI. What will be what I should do? NKDI, you know, make directory. You're going to make directory. Now where the directory should be created? Not on slash. Under root. Clear? So what are we going to do? Slash NKDI. Clear? Although where I am in root. I'm in root directory. A home. Root home directory. I'm a root user. Even I have my own directory. He is a user. He has his own home directory. Yes. For root, the home directory is root. Yes.
What thing is there is no home directory. Or the home is called slash.
Yeah. He is a user. He has his directory, which is called a home directory. Clear? Home directory he has. Now, he is a root. He will have his own home directory. That directory name is also root. Clear?
If for root, home directory is a root. But for user, it will be root and separate user. User.
No. User. Home directory.
So home directory, yeah.
Clear? I don't know. We discussed this. Yeah. Why last time? Clear? Guys, what is the one which is highlighted? Root. Now, what it is? Home directory of root. And the name is root. Got it? Now, let me switch user to user 1, isn't it? Let's show you. So, what is the command? pwd. Where I am? It is in root, then home, then user 1. Got it? We ask again. Clear? I'll help you. Clear, guys? Now I'm getting inside root. So what is the command? Root means what? Super user hyphen. Password is what I gave. pwd. Now it is in clear. Root is a directory which is a home directory of root, which is inside. They had to modify little words, isn't it? But anyhow, we already habituated, we understood it. Now I'm going to create directories under root directory slash. Clear? So this slash is called as home directory. Now LTI. Now what about this slash? Is a room directory? Subdirectory inside LTI, which is inside root. Clear? Clear? Ah, don't worry, I'm here to help you. Yes. Slash root. So slash is the root directory. Inside root directory, we have another directory called root. Mhm. I will show you. His question is this: do you have any root directory? Yes. Yes. Clear? This root directory is inside slash, which is a parent directory. Clear? So as soon as you correct. Clear? Yeah, yeah. It seems. Shall I? Now, if I'm using cd dot dot, what will happen? Change directory to the previous directory. See that. Shall I? Rajeshwari, come here. Shall we? I'm going to create a user. So now where I am? Yes. One second, I will show you. I'm going to create a folder now. So mkdir. Give me some name of the file. Sample1. I'm going to create a folder called sample1. Where I created? Where I created? Okay, in root folder directory. Let me go back. I have sample1. Now where I am? Let me see where the sample1 is available. Can you see? Yes, got it. See, what is this root? Let me show once again. Cd root ll. I have root directory also, isn't it? Correct. Now, what is the command used to go inside the root? Cd root. If I'm using double tab, it will show you all the files available inside the root. Can you see I have sample one? So that is your home directory of the user root. Clear? Whenever you create it on tilde, it will be saved on your home directory. Just like root. The home directory is root. For user, it is home user. Let me go to user and show you now. So it is su user one. Now, why is not asking password, guys?
The root can access all the users.
Clear? Clear? Root can go inside any account without any permission, but from user, if you want to go to root, you should put password. From user to user, if you want to go, you need password?
Yes.
Yes. Clear? Uh-huh. We haven't tried that. So let me go ahead and create a user now. So I am in mkdir sample user 1. I created sample user 1. Inside, no, I log in with the user 1. So it will be saved inside root home user 1. Got it? Profile path. Remember the profile path. So let me see where it is. CD, which is a home user 1. I got Suraj and I got sample user 1. Clear? Clear, guys?
If we create from the immediate root directory, not in the root
Whenever you created in your tilde mode, it will be saved inside your home directories of that particular user. For root, it is /root. For user, it is /home user. Clear? Clear? Now, I'm not going to work anything inside your home directory. Let me work everything inside your root itself. So, what's the command? So, I'm going to create a directory sample 1. Why is not allowing me to create? How do you find that you log in as a user or root?
you are in user one.
Just see the mail ID, how it is.
User one.
Got it? It will tell you clearly that whom you are logged in. For here it is root. For here it is user one. Clear? Now I'm going to use switch user. Where I created? Inside? Inside? Yes. Clear? So let me go back to your super user and let me create a user. Let me create a folder. mkdir. User for, mhm. Same directory. Root is same directory. Slash is same directory. For both. Clear? Now, I want to create a directory inside root. So what I will do, mkdir is a command used to make directory. Then it is going to be created under root. Now I'm going to create the name as LTI. Then subdirectories you want to create. Okay, ABC, A13. He has a question. What if? Why I want to give slash? If I remove slash, what will happen? Where will be created? It will be created inside slash root slash. But you're going to suppose you are going to create inside slash. So it should mention slash. Clear? Clear, guys?
Right, keep the slash
Further.
directly, the LDA folder will be created under in the slash, and then
Correct.
you will have a
Correct. Oh, yes. Yeah, share the screen. Shall I? Now you tell me where this directory will be created in slash. Clear? Clear, guys? The reason why I'm telling you should not get confused. Most of the admins that directly go and create a directory inside tilde, inside home directory of the user whom we logged in. Then they'll be looking for the file in the root directory. Got it? Now I created like this. Okay. I should log in as root. Okay. So I'm going to create an as in root. Why is not allowing me to create?
don't have any such directory.
We can create only one directory, not multiple directories. So let me show you. If I'm using slash lti slash mindtree, what will happen? Now it's created. They both are created inside. Clear? Now I'm going to use lti1 and without slash mindtree1 where they are created.
Mindtree1 is created in the root.
Root
LDA1 is
root
created in
root directory of root user. Clear? But LTI1 is created inside slash. Clear? This is what the common mistake is. Where are you going to save the document? Whether they are going to save the document inside your pocket or some other pocket. Simple. And they will search some other pocket. Clear? Where this LTI1 is created, LTI1 is created inside the slash, which is the root directory. Root directory. Now, where Mindtree is created, Mindtree1 is created inside root home directory, which is ROOT. Clear, guys? Now, same. I want to create subdirectories inside LTI. So always remember whenever you log in into your server or Linux, always try to change and work with your root. So change the directory to root directory. Clear? First rule. Whenever you log in, put cd root. Try to construct your directories. Clear? So you have LTI is there, LTI1 is also there, Mindtree is there, but Mindtree1 is not there because Mindtree1 is available inside root. Clear? Now I want to put CD. CD, you want to put slash root or what? Why? Clear? Since I'm already inside slash, I don't want to define the complete path slash. Directly I can put R. And the advantage of the Linux is if you don't know the files, you can use double tap and it will show you all the possible files available. Now I want to put R and tap. Can you see what it says? So I'm going to put S and double tap. It will show me all the directories starting from S. Clear? Now if I'm not putting double tap, just remove the value. Double tap. It will show you all the values available. Clear? So what you want now? I want to go inside root. Okay. What if I do slash root also? Does it make any sense? Is the same? Clear? You're defining the correct path or you are telling he is available. Where Raghav is available. Example. I am inside this room. I will tell Raghav is sitting on the last. If you are in cafeteria, what you will do? Go to the second floor. Either from cafeteria, you can tell go to A13 and you can find Raghav on the last. or you can tell from here also, come to this Ratinam, second floor, is 13. Got it? You're going to define the path where you want the file to be accessed. Clear? So better as I can go with root. Now, can you say I got Mindtree 1? Clear? Now, so always try to create the documents inside your slash root. So now let me create multiple folders, multiple directories inside root or LTI. LTI. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change directory to LTI. Shall I put slash LTI or just LTI? Both are same, but always advisable to mention the correct path, complete path. Take a habit of that was created. See, I created Mindtree and LTI with and without slash. This LTI one was created inside root directory, and this Mindtree was created inside root user directory. Clear? So yes. Now I'm going to use slash LTI. I know that. So what I'm so let me create one more directory which is mkdir is 13. Clear? Now can I able to create ACE 13 like this or slash LTI slash ACE 13? Both can be done. Clear? Either you can create from where you are, or you can create defining the complete path. Clear? ACE 13 is going to be placed under LTI, which is under root. It won't give any error. So I'm going to create 14. Now I'm going to create 14, 15, 16 in the same directory. A single command. Now you tell me the command mkdir hyphen p to create parent directories under LTI, which is under ACE. What will happen if you put ACE 13 inside ACE 13? So I should use put LTI. What are the file name? ACE 14, ACE 15. Oh, 14 is there, isn't it? ACE 15, ACE 16. Let me see the structure now. CD root. So CD LTI LL 13 and 14 are there. But what about 15 and 16? They are the parent directory inside. Clear? Now what about the ACE 15 and 16? They're inside root directory. Got it? This is the basic error here. So always try to define the complete path. So the best advice is to try to work with root itself. So what I'm going to do, mkdir. So mkdir parent directory under LTI slash ACE 19 slash ACE 20. So CD LTI inside 19 only you will have 20. Clear? So now if I want to see the complete structure of the file, how many files are there, how many sub files are there, how many folders are there, ls hyphen. So I will go back to, so it is ls hyphen capital R. So So you have 13, 14, 19. Inside 13 we don't have anything. 14 I don't have anything. 19 I have 20. Clear? So I'm going to create file. So what is the command used to create file? Now you tell me, where do you want to create a file? Inside ACE13? Shall I create a file inside ACE13? So what is the command used to create ACE file? It is vi. Now where ACE13 is available? Slash LTI slash ACE. Now I want to see how many files are there in LTI. So I can just use tab. But why ACE1 is there?
Because there are 13, 14.
Because 13, 14 or 19 are the common, so it will show you the one. So B. Now I want to hit double tap. It will show me what are the files available. So under 13. Now what is the file name you are going to create? List 1. Now you will get an open screen where you are going to use I to insert. Now you are going to now give me some names, real names. You guys tell your name, not others' name. Oh, you tell you.
It is general human psychology. It is general human psychology.
Then
What is it?
then
Why? Yeah. Good. You put you're
Yamuna.
writing wrong. You put
Yam. Who gave him? SSK who? Then I want real numbers, real names to show you the.
no right why? Why?
Then
Why? Yes.
then I know. Okay. So I made some names. So I'm going to save it. How? Use escape colon WQ. Clear? Save and quit. Now let me see the content of the file. What's the command? So I'm going to use cat. Now cat will show you the complete document starting from the screen. How lengthy is your screen? If you have a small screen and if I use cat, it will show you the complete page which is filled in the screen. But I want to see all the information from the starting to starting to down. So we have head, head file followed by the file name. Head will show you the first 10 lines of the file. Clear? Not foot tail. Last, not bottom. So tail. It will show you the last 10 lines. Now, can you able to see the first? Yeah, I want to see the flow. So I'm going to use a command called more. So it is more followed by the file name. It will show you the complete file starting and remaining percentage of the file available. Clear? But the disadvantage in your more is if I want to go back to the first line, no way. So we have another command called less. We have another command called less, which will give you option to scroll up and down. Clear?
Yes.
Which will give you option to go up and down. This is your less. Clear? If you want to come out, I'm going to use Q. Q to quit.
We have list command. So why we
Is I gave. Now escape :WQ. Now let me go to the file cd lti cd ACE13, correct? Do I have the list to? Do I have the list to file? When you create any document or any file with an period followed by the file name, it is hidden file. It is hidden file. In Windows, it is. In Windows, it is. What is the symbol? Dollar. If you start any file, if you end any file with dollar in Windows, it is hidden file. But in Linux, if you start any file with period, it's not a hidden file. Clear? Now, how to find the hidden files available? So ls-a. A hyphen A will give you the hidden files information. Clear? Clear, guys? Yes. ls-a is to list the all the files along with hidden files also. Clear? Now, I'm going to create another file using vi, and we have also called as touch. We have another command called touch to create an empty file, zero size file, which is touch. So list 3 file is also created. Clear? Yes, vi also we can edit. Vi list, yeah, vi list 3, I can edit. You have to type I. Now can you see the size also increase? Now it was 0 size file, then now it became 18. So you had added some values to it. Clear? Everyone? Create a file name, empty file or 0 size file. If you want, we can add the values to it. I'll tell you why we create 0 file later on. Clear? Clear, guys? Yes. Now, let me tell you there is something called redirection. This is a symbol. Okay, we'll see. Now, I'm using LL. Did I create any file? No. I'm going to create an empty 0 size file which is touch sample 123 I created. Sample 123 is what? 0 size file created under root. Clear? Yes, correct. Yeah, /root. Clear, guys? Now, I'm going to use ls to sample 123. I didn't got any output because this is called as redirection. Whatever the information you should get, will be redirected and saved in this file. Now let me show you once again. We have a command called ll. ll, what it gives? It gives all the information about the long list of the file. Yes. Now ll, I'm going to use redirect to sample123. I didn't got any output. Let me go and open the file which is sample, which is less sample. Can you see what I got? I got an option to go up and down. Now that was a file, that was the output. Now it became file. So whatever the outputs we have, it will be saved inside some other directory or the file. Once again, we have a command called top to see what are the process stage running. What is now going on? What is the utilization of your memory, CPU? Can you see where it is running? It's 3.1 now. It will change. Clear? Top. So it shows you all your PID, which is the process ID, which the user logged in, and what is the CPU utilization, memory utilization, and what type of time it has been. All the information will be displayed. Clear? Now, can you able to capture this? Got it? So I'm going to use Control C, not Control Z. Then I'm going to use a command top redirect to sample123. Now, I didn't got any output. Why? Because it is still writing. The time I stop, it will be completed. Clear? Because stop is a command which will show you the live stage of your machine, like a task manager. It will show you what is the live stage of your RAM, CPU, isn't it? Until unless you haven't stopped in here, you can't save it. You can't see it. So let me go and open the same file, which is cat sample123. Can you see I got everything in the form of file? Clear? Clear, guys? Yes. But earlier, yes, to redirect the information into a particular file. Now, what about the old commands? Now I'm going to use ls followed to your redirect to sample123. Now, if I open cat sample123, I got only the information. What about the old files? It will be overwritten. Clear? But I want all the information. I want to maintain all the tasks which I did every day. I'm going to use to redirect. So I'm going to use stop redirect to sample123. Stop. Then ll redirect to sample123. Then cat. What is the file list, isn't it? LTI. Then AS3. Then list, isn't it? List 1. List 1. I didn't got the information. Yes. Now let me see what's the content I have. Let me put less. Can you see I got, because this is for top information, wherever the space it is, it will add some escape values. So I'm not going to use less. So let me use cat sample. Can you see I got all the informations? It is for cat will show you the complete file. If you have 200 pages or 200 lines also to show you from start to end, that's it. But you can see only the last few lines available. Since you have mouse, you can navigate up and down, correct? What if you don't have mouse and you want to go up? So I'm going to use less and go up and down. Clear? Escape will show only in less. If you come out, if you want to come out of the file, you have to put Q. Clear, guys? Understood about a redirect? Now CD LTI. So what is the file you have? I have ACE13, isn't it? Where is the list one file available? It is in ACE13. I want to copy the file from ACE13 and paste it ACE19. So give me the command. So let me go back cd dot dot. So what I'm going to use MB. Where's list one? Where's ACE13? LTI is a root. So ACE13 slash list one. Clear? Now you're going to move this to where? This source and destination. It is LTI. You want Mindtree. So we have Mindtree. So inside Mindtree, do I have any folder? I don't have any folder. So I'm going to create a folder called file1. Okay, list itself. Oh, it is list one, isn't it? I should use the term list one. Correct? So I'm going to move. What do you mean by move? Cut paste. Clear? So if I hit on enter, what happened? This file is not available inside ACE. Correct? This file is not available, only list 3 is available, but inside Mindtree you will find. So ls hyphen lti slash, not lti, Mindtree, isn't it? Mindtree. Can you say I have list 1? Clear? Everyone? Now I want to copy this file, and also I should have in lti ACE13. Clear? So cp slash Mindtree. Then what's the file name? I don't know the file name, so I'm going to use double tap. Then it is in LTI is 19. Clear? Now let me go to ACE 19. So CD dot dot, then CD ACE 19. So I have list 1. Now I want to paste this list 1 back to 13 itself. Clear? But some other name as a name list. What you will do? I want to change the name of the file also. I'm going to use copy. What is the file I'm going to copy? List 1. And you're going to save in which location? In root ACE 13 with the name list. What happened? You saved with the name change. Got it? Move. Even from move, you can change the name also. We can move and paste a different name. Copy, save a different name. Yes. Clear? It will create. Clear, guys? So let me go back to ACE13. CD LTI ACE13. Now I can see name list. Clear? Clear, guys? Everyone? So we have another command called ps to see what are the processes which are running on the back end. Which are the process which are running on the back end. Can you see how many SU are there? Why are they? It's not about it's not about we are using that many times. Still the process is running on the back end. Still the process is running on the back end. Yes. So we are going to use the command kill. So kill hyphen 9 followed by the process ID 59879. No process available. Why? Think once again. Tell once again. Why is not kill? Why I got an option that is a PS ID itself. That's the command. That is the process ID for the command PS. Now I'm going to kill hyphen 9 for less, which is 59704. Then 58472. Kill. I will show you. I want to see whether it's changed or not. Kill hyphen 9. Give me some number, guys. 57997. Can you see? I try to kill this, correct? Clear, guys? So always try to use the live PSN to kill. Now, I will tell you. I will tell you. Now, the time I kill SU, what happened to me now?
You will be switched to user one.
I already switched also.
No.
See here.
First you were in root, right?
I was in root. Clear, yes. I was in root. The time I killed the process ID, which is less, not less, here. 72. 72 is which process? Bash. Since I killed, it says it was killed, and I log in into, I came into your user. Now, then I just gone through and delete this. It says that you don't have permission to kill any process ID from your user account. Clear? Clear, guys? So how to find what are the commands can be executed? Now give me some command. What you want? Move or copy anything you like to have. Move. Man, move. Go ahead. But why I'm getting only few? Because this is the history of user one. Why? Because I have killed everything. What do you want now? Move, copy, done. What do you want? Okay. You know what we will do? We'll put history, then got it? Understood? So all the commands what you did it to be saved so you can use it. Share it.
Can we see here on the terminal?
What?
History.
Yeah, you can see. By typing the command history, you can see the history.
Already showing.
Because I don't have the history, I killed the process of SU, isn't it? So what is the best solution? So try to log in as what? Root itself. So shall I go back to root? What I should do? SU is to switch user. That means user one is still running on the back end. I want to log in as root itself. I'm going to use some run level command, which is to restart my machine. So what are the run level commands? in it 6 to remove your restart your machine. Mhm. I want to log in the root. We have switch user. Primarily, you log in as
User one.
user one. To read the file or to move the file from top to bottom, you can navigate the location of the file. If you want to see the first few lines, you can go up and down. Less will give the feature to move, navigate your file. Don't do anything, let it be because I don't know. Now, I don't have any root, isn't it?
Not
So click on the user which is not listed or just use down arrow. Use down arrow, no mouse. Hit enter. What is the username? Root. And the password is what will? It will happen. It will adjust the size screen. Adjust the screen. It just to restyle the structure. What happened? Why is it not working? Now, guys, why am I getting this screen again?
because you log in first time as a
Got it? So click on next, next. I don't want any privacy settings. Skip. Start your CentOS and you can close your browser. Right click new terminal. Now you can see you have already logged in as
root.
clear or you want to reduce or okay. Better? Size is better. So let me go back cd root ll cd lti. Now I want to see the detail of cat command or give me some command which you want to know more about it. vi. So what I'm going to use man vi. Man for manual, vi for vim editor. So it will show you what how you are going to do all the informations. Clear? That's what I
Only
want.
for root or
This was a guide, isn't it? And we have something called O. What is O? Let me show you. No. So we have an option called O. What you use? You use I, isn't it? Yes or no, guys? You use I to insert and you start updating the file, isn't it? Now we have O also. Let us understand. Now I don't want to close this terminal. I want to see parallelly. Can I able to use it? Yes. Minimize it. I can create one more terminal. I can create one more terminal. So I can create multiple terminals. Clear? You can't. We can, but not here. There is another architecture. Okay. Now, how do I know that I'm in which terminal? Now, can you tell me which is the first terminal you have? Okay, now tell me. I'm going to change here. Now tell me which terminal I'm being first or second. This terminal first.
yes.
Okay. Now there's a command called tty. Clear? Tty will tell you which are the terminals you are working on it. This is second terminal. Terminal. But I have four terminals, isn't it? Got it? Clear? Then I'm going to use a command top or not top. PS. Terminal. Clear, guys? Now, whatever the commands you execute on that terminal belongs to that terminal only. So try to work with one terminal or two, not more. Now, once again, the example of your redirect is cd root. cd root. I want to see the information of vi, isn't it? Vi man you told, isn't it? Vi man I want to get the manual in my document. Okay. Okay, you want me to close this? Yes, it says you can't send into your terminal. So how do I find that what are the commands available? Yes, total what are the possible commands I can execute. It is in B I what bin? S bin. So cd slash s bin ll. It will show you all the commands and the details how it works. So it is too big. I want to see page by page. It is less ls pipe less ls pipe less. So these are the proper commands available. I'll show you. ls will show you what? All the short list. ls, I'm going to pipe is a command used to combine two. Then I'm going to use less. Clear? Clear, guys? Now I want to quit. So it's just Q. Because two values you are going to add. Go ahead. I'm going to use the same command, which is more. More, what is the fine? What is your ls pipe? More. What you got? Oh, I want to see the first command. Can you able to go back? No. I want to go first command. Can you able to go back? No way. Now, if I use less, I am here. I want to go and see the commands which start with A. I can go up. I can go down. Less will give you option to navigate your files. Clear? Any doubts so far? We are going very, very slow, guys. So far, we have to complete the permissions and users also. Let me create the users. Shall I create users now? So let me